Hey there, welcome to Stay Orders channel. This is Anand, and here this one is the repo to which we have make the pull request to PRs to. Now here we can see the fork button. When you will press this fork button, something like this will come out. Okay, so I have already forked it, so it will be written here fork from such repo, right? So it is now forked. Now when it is forked, so even though here also you can see in the code, after code issues and pull request, you can see there is already a live pull request, and that is of mine. So please add user card for Anand Kumar Pandey. And right, so similarly in the my forked repo, what I will do, uh, let's say, so here assets are there, right? In assets, everything like images, your image is there. Okay, image is there. This is Aditya's image and this is mine image, and so, and here is the index.html file. So I will open this index.html file, and here is the code. So the images which I have shown to you, so you can see they are present right here. Right here they are present. So like you can see assets adityaoberoi.jpg, and here also assets tbf.jpg, and this is my name and designation and all about my review. This is my review. Okay, so let's edit this code. And let's edit this file. Okay. So I'm editing now, and in the editing process I will go right next to my place, and here I also thank the book. Okay, so at the end I will just mention something more. Okay, I to assisted the community members, assisted community members through my tutorial videos. Okay, which was fun. Okay, so now I'm updating. I will write here some. Okay, assistance added to review. Okay, and I will directly commit the changes. Fine. So now this will be included in the version that is to be pulled up. Okay, so I will again go to the pull requests now, and in the pull request I will create a new pull request, and in the new pull request, okay, uh, okay, I will view the pull request, and I will leave a comment that assistance provided as a contribution to community added. Okay, so okay, so this is what what I've added, assistant provided as commentary. So already my pull request is pending. For you it will not be the case. You will generally see a new pull request here. So yeah, then it will be approved by the master branch. Okay, then it will be approved by the master branch, and it will be merged into the master branch later on. And this is the website that you will actually see once your query, your project is your branch is once merged. You will see your photo as well as your review on the web development part by Node.js will appear here like this. Okay, thanks for watching.